For $758,000, this home could be yours. Welcome to the Tilsa Show, owned by Hopewell Residential, located in the vibrant community of Hotchkiss, Calgary. Now let's step inside and explore this stunning front garage home. Stepping inside, the entryway greets you with a spacious and welcoming atmosphere. The high ceilings and thoughtful design create an immediate sense of openness and luxury. This home boasts of over 2,000 square feet plus the basement. Stepping into the mudroom area and the half bath, the main floor is a beautifully designed living space. The open concept layout seamlessly connects the spacious living room, elegant dining area, and modern kitchen. Notice the iron finishes and ample natural light, creating a warm, inviting atmosphere. The living room flows seamlessly into the dining area. The space is designed for both intimate dinners and larger gatherings, with enough room to comfortably fit a sizable dining table. It features a door leading to your backyard that is perfect for entertaining. Adjacent to the dining area is the heart of the home, the kitchen. Equipped with high-end stainless steel appliances, quartz countertop, and a large island, this kitchen is both functional and stylish. The custom cabinetry offers ample storage, and the modern fixtures add a touch of elegance. From the sleek cooktop, to the built-in oven and microwave, every detail has been carefully selected to ensure a premium cooking experience. The kitchen is a chef's dream, with ceiling-height cabinets and plenty of storage space. It is perfect for both everyday meals and entertaining guests. You also have your office space to get all your work done from home. Now let's head upstairs to explore the Tilsa. Heading upstairs, the upper floor offers 1319 square feet of comfort and style. It offers a serene retreat from the main living areas, perfect for unwinding at the end of the day. Welcome to the master bedroom, a spacious and tranquil living. The large windows continue here, offering beautiful views and plenty of natural light.
He's fucking real, man. Come on.
The room is generously sized, allowing for a king-size bed and additional furniture. Connected to the master bedroom is the luxurious ensuite bathroom. It features dual vanities, a deep soaking tub, and a separate glass enclosed shower. This bathroom is designed for relaxation and convenience. The walk-in closet is also accessible from the ensuite, offering ample storage space. The upper floor also includes 3 additional bedrooms, each thoughtfully designed with comfort in mind. These rooms are perfect for children, guests, or even a home office. You could also use one of the rooms as a bonus, a cinema room, or a family room. There's also a full bathroom on this floor, featuring modern fixtures and plenty of storage, ensuring comfort for all family members and guests. Now let's explore the fully developed basement. This home has a side entrance leading to the basement, and this versatile space had 646 square feet to the home, providing endless possibilities. Whether you envision a home theater, a gym, a playroom, or an additional living area, this basement can accommodate your needs. It also includes a full bathroom, adding convenience and functionality. Thank you for joining me on this detailed tour of the Teal Social home. So after seeing this home, would you like to live here? Let me know in the comments. Book a free strategy call with me through the link in the description box to get started on looking for your home in Calgary and surrounding areas. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home tours. See you in the next video.